Hey guys, welcome to my channel, or if you're not new here, thank you so much for coming back and hanging out with me today. Happy spring. I'm so excited. I have a new dress on. I'm trying new lip gloss. I have a new brow pencil. I'm excited. We're welcoming in the fresh and the new and the spring, and I have a little bit of a different type of video for you today. I have somehow been back into the habit of watching a lot of subscription box unboxings, which I was trying not to do for a while because then I want them all, but then I saw an ad on Facebook or something for one of the options in the spring FabFitFun box. I see this thing advertised everywhere and I always thought it was so annoying, but then I saw some of the add-ons and I started watching a few unboxings and I'm like, no, actually, how do they do that? It's like, you know, the full retail price is a $50 box, or there's all kinds of discounts if you get different plans, or I also have an invite code where you can save a little bit that I will link down below, so check that out if you're new and want to try it out. And the retail value is always like $200 or up, and it's not just beauty, it can be lifestyle and home and like wellness, workout stuff, so that's nice because I feel like I just haven't been wearing as much makeup, so I'm not needing or buying as much, so I didn't really want a beauty one, but the fact that there is some beauty in there is fun, you know. It's not like you're being overwhelmed with it. It's a little bit of everything, and being at home, I'm excited for the lifestyle and homey stuff. So I did sign up. I was a little late. I think a lot of like the spring unboxings are already out, but this is my first time ever trying FabFitFun. I don't know what a few of the products are. You can only choose every single product if you get the annual plan, I think, and I'm just getting the one box for now, or I have like the quarterly box because this does come out every 3 months at the start of each season. So I think the summer ones are coming out soon if you want to use that invite code. Ebates had a really good cash back dollar amount. It was like $12 or $13 off when you first sign up. So I got a really good deal on this actually. I did not pay the full $50, and the item I saw advertised was really cute. So I made sure to pick that out as one of my first items you could pick. I think I got to pick like 3 items out of, you get 5 to 6 or something, so you get to choose a little bit, and there's a little bit of a surprise. So that's what I'm looking forward to in here, and seeing what it all looks like in person, of course. Definitely take advantage of that Ebates sale if you are interested in signing up, and I think you can use my invite code on top because I was able to use a promo code too. I'll have my Ebates link down below, or Rakuten now it's called. I use it for everything online shopping, which we've all been doing a ton. If you're not using it already, you need to. I get so much money back each quarter just from buying things I would have bought normally. You get cash back. Sign up down below, you get like a free $10 gift card, I think, right when you sign up. So this was just a cute breath of fresh air when I saw it on my doorstep. I love this design. He got like daisies, I think, which match something, and all these other pretty flowers. If someone knows like what this style is, you should let me know. But yeah, just super beautiful box. I'm absolutely loving it. It's huge and they stood it one end up on my doorstep, so hopefully that won't cause any issues. It does say on the side what kit I got and what wave I got, so I don't know if they're all a little bit different. So I don't know, if you're curious what that is, ask me in a comment down below and I'll write it out for you. I did get a sticker saying your add-ons are inside, because I did get, if you can't choose some of the items that you can customize, you can like pay a very discounted price and get them added to your box as well. So I did get one add-on just to spoil myself. I don't know, I've been wanting spring so badly, so I'm so ready to celebrate that it is here, and I'm so ready to find out what is in this bad boy. So excited. We'll see if I cancel or keep it based on, of course, what is in here. I haven't decided what I'm going to do with this subscription, but I thought it'd be a fun way to spruce up my content a little bit by doing a little unboxing. Again, this box is giant. So here's what it looks like when I first open it. Cute little flower design here. Grow forth, these little cards, and it gives you, so this half you're supposed to use as like a little poster, and then they give you a postcard with a $15 off your first box code you can send to a friend. Oh, little stickers, those are cute. Some say FabFitFun, some are just like general springy cute flower ones. I feel like I've been mailing a lot of cards and getting back into my planner, so I'm actually really excited about those. It's really pretty magazine, I guess. Oh, I don't want to see yet, but it gives you a little info on what's in the box. Ooh, what is this cactus thing? All right, I'm peeking. 7B cactus sipper cup. That's cute. I love anything cactus. Packaging I can reuse for my Poshmark and Mercari stores. I've been selling a ton on those two platforms lately. I have coupon codes for those down below. If you want to make a first purchase, I believe you get $10 off. You get a HelloFresh 13 free meals on your first order coupon code. And here is what my box looks like. So it looks like a ton of beauty products after my little rants about not wanting them. So I believe, so these were one of the things I picked. This is like a little set. I don't think I've ever tried anything from Milk Beauty, even though people rave about it, except their mascara. So this came as a set. This was something I picked. This is the Watermelon Brightening Serum. It brightens, hydrates, and smooths for more even skin tone and texture. Vegan, of course, which is great. I'm a little nervous because I only do cruelty-free beauty. So yeah, I'm a little nervous that maybe the beauty products might not all be, but I don't know. I feel like that's becoming more common, and thank God more people are becoming aware of that cause. So maybe if it's trying to be all trendy, they will have that. But this is just a cute little stick. I don't know. I love the color. The packaging's wicked cute. I don't know. It just, I love it. And then Watermelon Brightening Face Mask. Glow in a flash, solid clay mask stick. Brightens, hydrates, and even skin tone for a luminous complexion. We know in the summer and spring we want anything watermelon. It's like natural instinct. You do take a little quiz when signing up for your box, and you talk about you know, what product categories would be of most interest to you. So I probably said beauty, and they talk about like your hair and skin concerns, and I believe I wrote a note like, please only send cruelty-free beauty. So we'll see. Oh my god, this is adorable. I've never had a solid face mask, so that's so convenient, because the worst part's getting it on your hands, right? Been making my boyfriend do skincare stuff with me, so maybe we'll try this out together. Oh, and then just a little cap screws off. Oh, it's like a suede matte texture. These are cute. Showing more pink on camera. They're kind of like a pinky red. I don't know. Beautiful. Excited to try that. If you want a review on anything, I might do a video or post something on one of my Instagrams. I have two, one for candles and wax and one like my personal and beauty. So leave me a comment. Love to talk to you guys down below. This is Drybar Prep Rally Prime and Prep Detangler. Perfect. I use detanglers. I don't know. Oh, they have the Leaping Bunny. We're good. Has biotin, vitamins B and C, and UV blockers, and so it's a heat protectant, so I can always use that. That's awesome. Detangler's like one of the few hairstyling products I do use. I see an LMS Papaya Enzyme Peel, Advanced Cream Exfoliator, Advanced Skincare, 1.6 ounces. This looks pretty big, like either a full size or a deluxe sample, and this definitely looks like a full size. British brand, does not test on animals, good. So you just put this on for 10 minutes. It's like a gentle little face scrub, so that'll be interesting to try. I've never really heard of or tried LMS, but Drybar I have heard of. I don't think I've tried anything by them. Wander Beauty Baggage Claim Gold Eye Masks, 6 pairs. I've been seeing these everywhere lately. Made in Korea, cruelty free, good. They brighten, hydrate, and reduce the appearance of dark circles. I have been having those lately for whatever reason. So they just come in little baggies like that. Those are exciting. I actually almost like impulse bought some at Target the other week, so now we have some eye masks. I will definitely try those out. That's exciting. I've never tried anything by Wander Beauty. I feel like someone famous started this brand. I can't keep up at this point. I don't know. Ooh, nails. I did see that little like black like caution label on here, which means usually like nail polish or perfume or something was sent. Be Yourself Nails Inc. London. This is the kind of nude nail polish shade I would never have worn until recently. I've been like kind of keeping my nails natural and stuff like that, and I actually like have been buying colors similar to this lately, which is weird to me. This container is really cool. It's like curved. It's really like satisfying to touch. I think the color name is Mayfair Lane. I don't know if this is cruelty free or, you know, all these nail polishes are like 7 or 8 free now, so we'll have to see. Otherwise I might, I don't know, give it to a friend or my mom or something, but it's a cute. Tweezers with Pouch by Summer and Rose. Oh, that's cute. So they're little floral tweezers. I feel like you could always use another pair. and a nude little travel pouch, which is nice so you don't lose them or get them ruined. That's kind of cute. I can always use more tweezers. They're stainless steel, and this pouch retails for $20. I haven't personally heard of this brand. I feel like maybe I've seen it around, but it's cute. I like it, very practical. So this was one of my add-ons. It's all wrapped up so securely. I don't know what during a global pandemic where like travel is limited and risky, like what inspired me to suddenly need a passport case or why they would put it in this box the more I thought about it. But this was my add-on, a Michael Kors passport case. I don't think I own anything Michael Kors except maybe a shirt. And it was $10 for an add-on. Or if I had not picked something else, I could have gotten it just included in the price of the box, which again was well under $40 for me, and shipping's free, which was amazing. Well, that price after I get the cash back from Ebates, which takes a couple months, but you know. So I don't know, this seems really fancy, and then you can put your cards in here when you travel. My job requires a lot of traveling, which we haven't been doing obviously, but when I'm back on the road, I don't know, I'm gonna feel like a fancy business lady with this. I just thought it was a nice little treat yourself, so I'm gonna have to put this somewhere safe for when I start flying again, but it's just beautiful. I don't know, it just feels so nice. I guess normally like this spring people are traveling, going on vacations and stuff like that. Ooh, there was a hair scarf bundle I could have gotten. That's cute. If they were silk, that would have been nice. I'm not even seeing this in here. It is not in here. But another option was like packing cubes, which were really cute, but I already own some and never use them, even though I should. I have all these cool articles in here too. How to deal with acne, your guide to oils, using some of the products I guess in here. Oh, workouts, recipes, cute. So I don't know, but this had to have retailed at least $45, right? I don't know, but it's cute. So the last two items are two of the ones I picked. I'm super excited for these. This is the one that got me to sign up for the box. I don't know, I saw it and it was beautiful and I loved it. I'm obsessed with anything daisy. I love the color black, so when there's anything with the black background in daisies, I need it. This is the Alice and Olivia duffel bag, and this retailed for quite a lot too. I was surprised. I hadn't really heard of this brand, but I looked it up and it's sold at Nordstrom. Ooh, so this retails for $150. So I figured I would pay what I paid for the box for this alone if I like saw it in a store and liked it. And I've been taking a lot of been going to visit my family a lot, like little weekend road trips. So this would be perfect. It's so stylish and cute. Has some side pockets there and a nice crossbody giant strap there. This is a great size bag. You could even use this for work or something. It's a little smaller than I thought. It's more like what I would call like a small weekend bag, more than like a duffel bag. Like it's kind of small, to be honest, which makes sense how they fit it in here. But here's the print. I just thought it was super cute and I love it. And I don't know, I use bags this size all the time for everything, so I thought it was adorable. And then another option later on was a matching little hat, a little daisy bucket hat. I used to hate hats as a child and I'm loving them now. And then they help protect my hair from like fading and like turning brassy and getting weird colors in the sun. So I don't know, bucket hats are in, and I've always kind of been dying to know if they look horrible on me or not, because I don't know, certain hats look weird on my head. So you know what, we're gonna find out right now. It's reversible. It has solid white on the other side and retails for $85. What? So here it is on one side. It's kind of like almost has like a waterproof texture to it. I don't know, it feels like it'd be easy to clean. And then the other side is just white, which I don't know, I feel like I can't really pull off, but I also feel like I'm going to get that dirty with foundation right now. I don't know, it's cute. Let's try it on. Don't laugh at me if it looks weird. Cover up my roots, you know, pandemic life. It looks funny with me wearing a dress. You know what? I don't hate it. I feel like some people might make fun of me, but I don't know, it's kind of cute. It's like a smaller sun hat. Like sun hats can be a little too big and then like you turn your head and you hit them on something. This you can wear when you're driving because the back will smush down. I don't know guys, in the viewfinder I kind of like it. What do you think of my bucket hat? I'm all trendy now, okay? Has a matching bag, you know, life's good. I'm feeling fab and fit and fun right now. So I got 8 products. This counted as a set. So really 9 products plus an add-on. So this came with like 8 products if we count that as a bundle, which is pretty good. I feel like there are a ton of other cute add-ons you could get. There are a lot of really cute stationery and like kitchen sets you could get that I was very tempted by, but I'm like, no, Elle, like you cannot get more than 1 add-on. So I don't know, this was super fun, and I believe all the beauty is cruelty free, so that really worked out. If you know of a cruelty free beauty subscription box that you like or have heard of or want a review of, let me know because I'm kind of tempted to check one of those out. I don't know, these boxes are fun to open at home when there's less things to do because of the pandemic, so here we are. Again, check out my code down below and my Ebates referral link as well if you want to give this a try, because you can get some good savings that way. Leave me a comment down below. Do you subscribe to FabFitFun? And if so, do you have like the year long? What have you been getting lately? What's your favorite thing you ever got? I'm pretty happy with this so far. I was kind of prepared to hate it. Not hate it, but like be like, I don't know if I'd get it again. Let's go cancel. But I mean, it's only every few months, so it's not like you're spending $50 a month. So that helps a little bit. I don't know. It was fun. I might be one of these people now, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up so I know if you did. Would love to talk to you in the comments down below. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already to join our GlamBAM fam, and hit the bell button to get notified whenever I upload a new video. My schedule's a little all over the place, so you don't want to miss a new upload, and they'll just pop up and you won't miss them. Thanks guys for hanging out with me today. Happy spring, and I'll see you in the next one. 3, 2, 1, bam!